Proceeding further in the same exercise 7.1, we come to now these three problems. Okay, I am taking problems in between. You just see and try the remaining problems. Now this one, I is equal to integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 upon root x. In this case, first of all, separate the terms. Make these fractions separate. You get x cube by root x plus 3x by root x plus 4 by root x dx. The first thing you will do is this equal to I is equal to integral. Okay, here you get x raised to 3 minus half. Root x means power is half. It is in the denominator. When you take this to the numerator, you get x raised to minus half. And 3 minus half, that gives you 5 by 2. So x raised to 5 by 2 plus this 3 x raised to half plus 4 x raised to minus half dx. Make sure here it is power is 3. You are having cube. Power is 3. 3 minus half gives you 5 by 2. Power is 1. 1 minus half gives you half. Power is 0. You are having 4. 4 means x raised to 0. Okay. So when this root x will go up, it will give you x raised to minus half. In all three cases, you will use the formula integral x raised to n, and that gives you x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant. Okay. So if you want, you can separate. You can take the integrals outside, constants outside. But if you want, you can solve directly. For this, you will get x raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 means 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus 3. X raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, that gives you x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 4. X raised to minus half plus 1 means x raised to half upon half plus constant. This gives you 2 by 7, x raised to 7 by 2 plus 3 and 3 get cancelled. You get 2 x raised to 3 by 2 plus this gives you 8 x raised to half plus constant. Okay, in this way you can solve this. What you have to do initially, separate them, simplify them, and then apply the formula of the integral. That's all, nothing else. Okay, one more thing, please see these three steps and see this step. This is the step where you are using integration. Okay, this is the step where you are using actually the formulas of integrals. Okay, and these steps you are just doing the simplification which you are studying right from the 7th standard. Okay, so make one thing sure, all the concepts you have studied in your previous classes, you should be aware of those concepts. You should know how to proceed with those concepts. Okay, now coming to this once again, in this case also we will use first 2-3 steps in simplifying, means using the concepts which are studied from 8th or 9th standard. Okay, now see, first of all you have to do this. You have to find the factors of this polynomial. Okay, initially you have to find the factors of this expression. So what you will do, integral from these two terms takes x square common, you get x minus 1, plus from these two terms take 1 common, in the bracket you get x minus 1 upon x minus 1 dx. Now in the next step you will get x minus 1 common and you get x square plus 1 upon x minus 1 dx. X minus 1 gets cancelled. You get integral x square plus 1 dx. You get this. See what I said. First of all, you will use the concept which you have studied in your previous classes. Okay, these are not the concepts you are studying in these classes. In this classes you are studying about integration, not about these concepts. So these are the steps, and these steps have been studied in your previous classes. When we factorize this expression, we get this. X minus 1 and x minus 1 get cancelled. You get this. Now it's very easy. Integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus integral of 1 is x, and you get plus constant. Coming to this, simplify it. 3 x square root x plus 2x root x plus 3 root x dx. Initially the root x which is outside, multiply it inside. Okay, this gives you integral 3 x raised to, or if you want you separate it, 3 comes outside, integral x square and x raised to half means x raised to 5 by 2 plus 2 outside, integral, here it is dx, x raised to 3 by 2 dx plus 3 integral x raised to 1 by 2 dx. So you get this. Separate the integrals, take the constant terms outside. 3 comes outside, x square root x means you get x raised to 5 by 2. 2 outside, you get x into root x means 1 plus half, that gives you 3 by 2. And here it is root x means x raised to half. Now x raised to 5 by 2, its integral is x raised to 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2 plus 2, this is x raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus 3, this is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus constant. 2 ऊपर चले जाएगा, you get 6 by 7 x raised to 7 by 2 plus 4 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 plus 3 cancels, here it is 3, so 3 and 3 get cancelled, you get 2 x raised to 3 by 2 plus constant. Okay, clear? In this way you can solve. In all the cases, please note down one thing. Initial 2 to 3 steps are just the simplification you have studied in your previous classes. If you forgot those simplifications, sorry, you will not be able to solve the problem. Okay, please note it down.